Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. Here in this video, I will tell you about an app where you can enlarge and you can enhance your image at once. So, without wasting any time, let's begin the video. The website and app is called Photo. Here you can go and you can enhance, enlarge and upscale your image all in once. Just you have to go and here you have to upload your media as I'm uploading. Here first I'm using the AI Upscaler feature. You can see that they have upscaled our image. You can see here the before and after results. After the upscaling, you can go and you can look for enlarge here. Here you can see this AI expand. Simply go and click on expand. Now here you have to select the frame and you have to select here how much you want to expand your image. Now here they have given us two options. I have selected there this option for expand. You can see here how well the image has been expanded. Moreover, here you can also go and you can enhance your image as well. Here we also have this option called unblur where you can go and you can unblur your image. And that's it. Our image has been unblurred, enhanced, upscaled and enlarged. This app offers so many features and is highly recommended. You should give it a try. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.